At dawn, you approach a city carved from living rock, Petra, capital of the Nabateans, who rose from the 4th century BCE and flourished into the 2nd century CE. Why here? This is Petra, Jordan's rose-red stronghold hidden in a mountain basin. Known as the Lost City, it was never lost to those who built it, merchants, engineers and rulers of the desert. The Saiku, about 1.2 kilometers long, began as a tectonic fracture. A single narrow approach you could monitor, tax and defend. Look closely, channels carved high on the walls. The Nabateans turned a choke point into infrastructure. Water mastery, dams, settling tanks, cisterns buried in stone, millions of litres stored and rationed. Clay pipes fed neighbourhoods. Floods were trapped, silt settled, lifeblood banked against drought. Precision under your feet. Beyond water came wealth. Caravans moving frankincense, myrrh, spices. Arabia to Gaza, Damascus and the Red Sea at Isla, Aqaba. You controlled the corridor. Tolls and tariffs, the empire's revenue engine. Architecture was statecraft, messages in stone, Al-Khazne, the theatre, royal tombs. Adair, the monastery, cut from cliffs to intimidate, to awe, to govern. High lookouts watched the approaches, signals leapt ridge to ridge. One city inside a fortress. Then silence. Sea routes rose, land caravans thinned. Under Rome, network shifted beyond your control, and in 363 CE, earthquake. Supply lines faltered. Wealth evaporated faster than walls could hold. Unbreachable cliffs could not defend an economy. When maritime trade dominated, overland tolls died. The ledger went red. Petra's financial engine seized. The monuments remained. The markets did not. Despite mountain walls and perfect choke points, isolation set in. The administrative heart withered into facades, hollow stone facing an empty road. In 1812, a disguised Swiss traveller, Johann Ludwig Burckhardt, recorded its return to Western maps. Today, UNESCO status protects it, but tourism and erosion test the rock that once projected power. The lesson for you: resilience lives in adaptive networks, water, trade, information, not just in walls. Follow for more field-tested history and frameworks to read the terrain of power.